I need a little warm up today. I've got 3 videos to do before vacation, and I thought this would be a good one to start with. So welcome to the channel, friends. My name is Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and today we are just going to create some fun things. And I have a new little tool that I want to introduce to you, and I will show you that. But before I do so, just a few of the things that you will need. Maybe some fabric strips. This is kind of what I thought I would use for these. You need some regular pieces of cardstock and maybe some embellishments, some book pages, that kind of thing. Some scissors, some glue, the normal suspects. And then the star of the show is this new tool that I bought. It is by, let me tell you the brand, Bira. And I did get this on Amazon. It is listed in my Amazon favorites in the description. And the reason I bought it is because it will do the little punches for a happy planner, or more importantly, what I bought it for was to make my own Rolodex cards. Now, what I will tell you, this is the Rolodex that I have up here. It's pretty tiny. And this is a standard Rolodex that I have some of these at home, and I just brought a few up. Now, if you don't know, I have sold a bunch of Rolodex kits, or, you know, the whole thing. Here, let me show you mine that's up here. It just looks like this. But if you don't know, these things new can go for about $45. I had no idea until I looked them up some time ago. So I always bring these at a great bargain. But if you have, say, one of those, either the ones that actually slide in, or if you have one like the one I just showed you that rolls, you may get one that doesn't have any of the cards in it. So you can make your own easily by investing in this little number. And it was not very expensive, and I should have looked it up before I started. I did not, but like I said, it is in my description. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some of these things aside, and I'm gonna show you how easy it works. And first of all, let me just show you a couple that I made. So I thought it was kind of fun because you can just use regular cardstock. This is one of the smaller ones. I just used a scrap of paper. So we have that. And then here's a couple that I did. This one's just really simple. This is one of my grabby stickers. So are these. But just super simple, little fun Rolodex cards that you can make and you can use to create and put into your journal. So here's our original. And let's just these are not done. These little ones are all done. As you can see, they worked just as equally as well as the larger ones. I did test it to make sure it would work. And then here's a couple that I already did, but let's just make a few of these and I'll show you how quick and easy it is. So this is 3 by 5, I think. It's the same size as the actual Rolodex that I have, or some of you might call them memo decks. I don't know the difference, but yeah, 3 by 5. So all I'm gonna do is just punch these real quick. And let me see, I can get this up here. Let's see, we'll just set it down here because it's easier. So I did make 2 little marks on the punch, just so I knew where to end it at, so I could go through these really quick. And it just works really, really well. It's nice and smooth. Let's see, we're gonna do a couple of them together. And you just punch, and there you go. You've got I probably wouldn't put more than 2 in there. I mean, you can, but if I still just want to use 2-finger bit, let's just not overcomplicate it. By the way, I've finished the duplex. Hallelujah, amen. Party on. It is done. However, I have annihilated my fingernails, so please don't look too closely. And I also have, today will be shower number 3 that I will take, and I have oil-based paint, my glove broke. And now I have oil-based paint on my hands. So I also have them on my knees because my jeans that I use for painting have holes in them. So there is that. Now, all I'm doing is just rounding the corners. You certainly don't have to. Here, let's do maybe a couple of these at a time, too. You don't have to do that. And now I'm making a mess because I'm doing too many at a time. What have you guys all been up to? Anything exciting? I have to say, I am incredibly behind in every aspect of my life, I feel right now. But on a positive note, I'm not complaining. The house is done. We have our first renters coming, I think, next weekend maybe, or the weekend after. I can't remember. So that's exciting. And I have to say, the Belle Rose is the belle of the ball. In my opinion, it is. It's just very cozy. It's very me. It's very vintage, retro, kitschy, fun, and it just makes me happy to go in there. Now, Dave still says the equestrian-inspired birchwood, which is more like kind of Ralph Lauren vibes, is his favorite, which you can understand that. But but he did say that it was very cozy, and it seems, I don't know if it's just placement. A lot of the furniture is placed pretty similarly to the other side, so I don't know why he thinks it feels bigger. But now we're just going to decorate a few of these because otherwise this would have been like a 3-minute video. So we're just going to get after it. But yes, the reason I'm behind, well, I've been up here. This is week 3. And I made a commitment and I said I was not going to leave until everything was done. So yes, everything else is behind. I know. It is stressing me out, but I will get through it. I will make it happen. And not only that, okay, come on now. I need to just say, first world problems, right? I'm leaving today and going back home. 3 weeks. I mean, that's a long time to be away from your babies and your house and your animal babies. But luckily, I have very awesome children and a very awesome son who is holding down the fort with all of the pets, taking care of the house while I'm gone and Demi is at school. But I am leaving on a jet plane, literally, next Wednesday, I think. So I've had a bunch of orders come in, and I should have put my stores on vacation mode, which I will do when I go on actual vacation, but I didn't think I was going to be up here for 3 weeks. So I've got all kinds of orders to pack that payment came in after I was gone. I've got some invoicing to do, which I did not want to do until I got back. I've got 8 things of Happy Mail to put together. It's ridiculous. Those have just been lying around and waiting. You know, I've just been trying to continue to add to them, and it's time for me to get those taken. I just got a lot of stuff to do. Not to mention, I also got sick while I was up here, so that was lovely. Okay, so my initial idea was to use some of these little fabric pieces that I had lying around. And you probably noticed on the last one, these are antique and vintage book pages. And this is from one of my grabby boxes. It's just this table. I was looking for a little person to sit on here, but I couldn't find one readily, so I just used that. Now, we've got little baby Sally. And I don't know how I want to use this exactly, but she's got to come down. And I don't need to use this whole thing, but it is kind of cute. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. But you can just bust out a couple of these. You can bust out a lot of them in no time flat. So I mentioned that I am doing this as a warm-up I have one more I'm going to do as a warm-up as well. Actually, you know, just like when I used to teach time management classes, sometimes it's best if you start with something easy, tackle something hard, and then move on to something easy. So perhaps what I will do is do the more difficult, it's not difficult. I'm just going to cut this off camera with my, there we go. Just for a little fun there. More intensive. It's not difficult. But I have, oh, Angela, hang on, I got a glue problem here. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos on deck here at 7 actually, at the lake. And purposely, I just keep them on the ready so that I don't have to bring a lot of stuff when I come up here. But I do want to be ahead for when I go on vacation, and I have a ton of thrift videos and happy mail or purchases that I've gotten from our YouTube friends. And I just kind of try to sprinkle them about so they're in no particular order. Some of them are, you know, quite old actually, but listen, I took the time to record them. I will be putting them up, posting them. But I know that you guys don't want to look at those every single day, so I kind of try to spread those out. So I have like months of those. Months. Which was, I don't know what that says. Let's just not even think about it. Let's see. Where could we put this? Should we put it? I don't like it right there because it's right in front of her. How about we do? Cut it. And 2. And because I'm going to put this on fabric, I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac. Oh, here we go. So yeah, I have plenty of thrifting videos, but not a lot of tutorials and or interesting crafting videos to share. I also have a lot of fashion videos and thrifting for that I have not done anything with, but more to come on that. Like I said, these are pretty simple. I didn't do much. This one, what was my thought on this? Maybe I just used the whole, I know what we'll do. We're gonna cut it down just a little bit. We're gonna cut these. These were all strips, extra strips that Mo had from some other quilts that she made, and they just happened to be laying back here, and I thought, well, there's some of my favorite kinds of prints, so let's use them. And friends, when I tell you there's a lot, there's a lot. I'm not doing any inking really on any of these, just because I don't wanna. How about that? So has anything been exciting happening up here? No, the excitement was getting this place. Oh, I wanted to cut this off farther. All of the boxes checked. That is what I wanted to do. And Dave and I were successful, so it makes me very happy. And I can't wait for our first renters to come. It makes me happy. Okay, so I'm going to put this kind of right in here. I'm going to cut this off a little bit more because I think I'm going to put a piece of, maybe if I can find some rickrack or rickrack paddywhack. And the word in this dictionary was add, so we're just going to add that right there. And let's see, I'm going to dig in my little boxy poo. See if I can find a very thin piece. Do I have I have pink. That's not going to work. Oh, what's this? That might be too thick though. Hang on, I'm pulling this out of, this might be too much. But I could do a little piece of it. Let's just do a little piece. There we go. Look at that. Well, I'm just going to use my flange. Mark this down in the books. Angela's using her fingers to glue. Because you know I don't like to get dirty. Isn't that ridiculous? It's not that I don't like to get dirty. I mean, I do a lot of work. Well, as you can tell from my hands, you know, painting and things like that. I get dirty all the time, but I would prefer not to. I just pulled this right off of here. Did I not glue that? I hadn't glued it yet. I think we're going to put it right here. And then we'll put this right there. Let's move that out of your way. So, the next video I'm doing, I meant to do it quite a while ago. I did this video. It was fantastic for one of my viewers. Hi, Deb. And I loved it. And I uploaded it. And somehow, the video is there. The sound is gone. So, I'm in the middle of doing a voiceover, which is really frustrating when you're like, oh, this was really good. Why? I don't remember what I was going to do say here. But, anywho, the second video for that was showing how to put book pages, a book in its entirety, back into a journal. Use your words. Don't try to do too many things at once there, Ann. So I need to do that before I leave because that needs to go up so that I have them kind of in sequential order so people aren't waiting for it after I've done it. So that's my plan. But my friends, there you have it. With just a few easy peasy lemon squeezy tools and our new little Bira punch, we've created a whole bunch of fun. I hope you enjoyed that. Again, if you're interested in looking at getting, maybe you already have one of these or maybe you have something similar, hop on over to my Amazon shop in the description and grab yourself one of these very inexpensively. And we will talk to you next time, friends. Until then, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.